Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're checking out a new Kizer model that just dropped January 2025. Kizer is coming out the gate swinging this year with a bunch of new drops, and I've gotten a chance to check out a few. We're going to be, of course, unboxing this guy. We have looked at the new budget Momo, right? Definitely check out the unboxing on that guy. Also new for this year is the mini Momo, so that one's also pretty interesting. So the unboxing for those two is in the channel. And we looked at the mini Mystic as well, right? Of course, all of these are going to be linked down below, every knife you see in this video, if you want to check them out. But yeah, definitely dropping some heat here early in 2025. There's also a few other models that they dropped as well that, I didn't get a chance to check out myself. So definitely look into those too. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive into this guy. Do we have a hint? Yes, we do. We have the Beaver, right? This is the Beaver. Never checked out this model before. It looks like it is a Kizer design, right? No, no external designer here. Nitro V blade and black G10 handle. Okay, if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Right? Sometimes these boxes like to act a little tough, so I'm just going to use the back of the mini Momo here just to open up one side, so I don't have to destroy the whole thing. Right? Let's see. All right, it is a box inside of a box, upside down to be exact. Here we go. Got the Kizer logo there. Boom. Got the top off. Kizer sticker. Action for dreams. Boom. All right, here is the knife, right? I'm excited to check out the Beaver. We're going to check it in just a moment. I know there's some other stuff down here. Got the wiping cloth, of course. That's always nice. And here's the sheath, right, with the silica gel. And the warranty and all that good stuff, right? Product details handout. The sheath is green on this particular guy, so that's an interesting call there. Typically, it's all black. It does have this nice little button actuated release. I've seen this in a few other models, like the Militaw fixed blade and the Momo fixed blade, which we'll be doing some size comparisons too in a moment. This one works pretty good, right? And of course, you can always take it out and use your own clip if you want to. Maybe you're more a fan of an ulti clip or something like that, then you can, of course, unscrew this guy and put your own. But out of the box, right, good sheath there, good quality. Let's go ahead and clean up here a little bit, and let's see what this guy is all about. All right, here we go. Plastic wrap on this bad boy. Go ahead and take it out of this wrapping here. Boom, right? The Kizer Beaver, all right, has a little protection there in the tip. We'll go ahead and remove that as well. Get my wiping cloth here just to give it a nice little wipe. It does come with some oil, right? As any brand new knife should, for protection there on the steel. And here we are, the Beaver, ladies and gentlemen. Right, first impressions, right, a little bit on the smaller size EDC. This makes it perfect, really good for EDC use. We'll come back to the sheath in a moment here, when you guys will be able to take this guy in 100%. So beautiful drop point blade right there. We have additional jimping here and also right there towards the front, which is nice. Flat grind there with the Kizer logo on this side. Good plunge grind situation here for sharpening, which is good. On the other side, it says Beaver model name, and we said Nitro V is the steel, which again is finished on this kind of slightly reflective stone wash finish, looking really good. Right, moving on to the handle, we have G10 scales. By the way, it is a full tank construction, so that stone wash Nitro V, right, wraps all the way around the handle there, looking pretty good. Hardware here looks to be a T8 captive on this side, so you only have to worry about one side, and some nice orange colors going on there, which is nice. It kind of gives it a little pop of color attitude, if you would. And what's interesting is this hole, right? So we got this circular hole back here, so this is nice. Kind of gives you something to pinch, maybe stick your finger into and take it out of the sheath, right? I don't see myself. No, maybe I'm missing something, but I don't think it's actually meant for you to put a finger in there. Kind of like how the Cabox works, and we'll see the Cabox in a moment if you haven't seen that one. I want to say, here we go, right? Ergonomically speaking, right, I'm able to get a full purchase, all 4 fingers right there, which is nice. I have average hands, not the biggest of hands or the smallest of hands. I can see where this jimping here comes handy, because that's naturally where my thumb wants to land. I guess if I wanted to use this jimping here, I absolutely can. There's quite a bit of thickness to that blade, so it's still, slicey but robust blade at the same time, which is also pretty nice. And overall, I mean, it's nice and rounded, right? Kind of contour all around, so it makes it comfortable in hand. This is a good 10 out of 10 right here, right? No pocket clip, no sore spots, boom, 10 out of 10, right? Looking pretty good. The Beaver here making a great first impression. Really liking the black there with the orange. That's looking pretty good. And of course, all right, let's go ahead and check out the sheath here. So now we got 3 colors. We got orange, black, and we got the green. So here we go. Let's check that out. Satisfying click, satisfying release. All right, Kizer definitely knows how to do a good sheath situation or sheath solution there. So that's always good. The draining hole is on the inside, by the way. So I can see the hole right here, right on the side of the clip. So that's looking pretty good, right? Good action there going in and out. Boom. So it looks like you can carry this guy the way it's oriented, right? Probably going to carry this guy. It really depends. I guess if you were going to use your belt, right, you're going to carry it vertically like this, right? If you have like a backpack and you put it on like a backpack strap or something, then it will be horizontal or scout carry, right? So you do have those options. You got some, 2 additional holes if you wanted to maybe mount it at an angle or something like that. You can. So that's definitely an option there. No holes on this side, so that's something to consider there. So let's do some size comparisons then, right? Let's compare this guy to some of the most of the other fixed blades I have are coincidentally from Kizer. So there is the Smolt. The Smolt came out last year, a Jonathan Styles design, and it's really nice. Great size for EDC use. This guy is even slightly smaller, right? The Beaver. And the Cabox, right? Also from Kizer. It's pretty nice there. Very similar size, if I'm being honest. Of course, this guy has a Warncliffe blade, so slightly different geometry. The blade here is almost as tall as on the Deckhand. Obviously, in the Smolt, you get a narrower blade going on there. So got a little bit of everything to consider here. Right? Kizer making some sweet fixed blade offerings, to say the least. And this is what I meant, right? This guy's also rocking the same clip, right? So definitely a good solution there out of the box. You can always make it your own if you want. And speaking of some other fixed blades here, right? Something a little bit bigger. The new, released towards the later portion of last year, 2024, Kizer Militaw fixed blade, right? That was pretty sweet. It's a bigger size fixed blade, right? Same pocket clip solution on this guy, right? Sheath, all great experience. And it just gives you a longer fixed blade. Maybe you're thinking, this guy's too small for me. I'm looking for a bigger fixed blade. Well, they got you covered, right? They got plenty of fixed blade offerings. And we'll do one last one. And here is the Cabox, right? Cabox. This guy does have the circle here towards the back, so I don't think it's just for decoration. This guy, you can actually put your pinky there if you wanted to. This one is a little bit more natural, right? If you wanted to put your thumb on there, you also can. Either way, it's a good way to kind of have something additional to grip and pull out of the sheath. So definitely a nice little feature there. But again, different offerings from Kizer when it comes to fixed blades. All of these are linked down below if you want to check them out in more detail. But yeah, this thing is making a great first impression right here, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely looking really nice. Of course, we got to do our scientific cutting test. So we got some cardboard, got some paper here. We said Nitro V steel on this bad boy. All right, got a really good edge there. Here we go. Yeah, definitely making some good first swirls there. Boom, here we go. Yeah, all Kizer are nice that I've gotten a chance to check out of the box. They're going to come really sharp. There's no doubt about that. So cutting some paper, of course, that's not even a challenge. It's going to cut paper all day, every day. And as far as cardboard goes, I have a single wall piece of cardboard right here. Remember, when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular, but rather at a diagonal angle like this. And it's going to look something like this. Here we go. Bam, right? Just be mindful of how much cutting path you have, and you shouldn't run out of edge there. Right? Doing it a little bit slower so you guys can see it in action here. Right, I sunk the corner there a little bit on that one. All right, let's do one final one. Yeah, this thing is going to be a cardboard destroyer. There's absolutely no doubt about that. You guys let me know in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10. How sharp is this guy? All right, let me know. Well, there you guys have it. That is the new Beaver from Kizer. Well, I haven't gotten a chance to check this one out before. I'm not sure if it was already a pre-existing model on the lineup or a new release. I'm pretty sure this might very likely be a new release here. Again, good sheath experience, right? Kind of their better possible pocket clip situation there, which you can always make your own if you want to, right? So the sheath is good, right? As far as the blade goes, full tank construction, G10 scales, easy to clean and take off if you wanted to. Has this interesting circle opening back here, right? Kind of gives you some personality there, gives you some additional something to put your finger in and pull out if you wanted to in a pinch. And dual jimping zones, nitro V steel, pretty sharp as you saw. And yeah, actually feels pretty good on hand. That's a fixed blade for EDC, right? If you're not looking for a long fixed blade, if you're looking for a smaller EDC fixed blade, this one's absolutely 100% going to scratch that itch. There's no doubt about that in my mind. And of course, this guy and every other knife that you saw in this video will be linked down below. So if you're interested in checking prices, availability, variants, right, absolutely check that out. I'm gonna put a video to the new Momo release, right? There's the new mini Momo and the new budget regular size Momo, right? I'll put a video for that right here on the right. Or check out the mini Mystic from Kizer. Again, all of these dropped here in January. That video is going to be to your left, guys. If you made it to this point in the video, you're awesome. Thank you so much for your love and support, hanging out with me here until the end. Go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps your boy here get this video pushed to a larger audience. If you like and enjoy knife and EDC content like this on a daily basis, do consider subscribing. I promise you it'll be worth coming back for more. I'm not sure if I said this earlier in the video or not, but your boy is a little bit under the weather here, so that's why my voice sounds not the best. I promise you I'll sound slightly better than this on an average day, but thank you guys so much for checking out this video to this point. Regardless, really means the world to me. Guys, shout out to Kizer for sending these in, and shout out to my Patreon supporters for supporting what I do here. You guys can support the channel on Patreon or right here on YouTube by becoming a channel member. You'll get access to exclusive perks. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace!